What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on this 1997 Toyota Supra that we did a full paint and interior restoration on. Let's get into today's video. Okay, so this is what we're working with. Factory OEM Supra that we did a full refinish on in the factory paint code. We did a couple small upgrades, brand new headlights. These are the factory bumper turn signals that we clear coated. This is still a very original Supra, but one thing that we did do is upgrade them to the twin turbo front and rear disc brakes and the 17-inch factory twin turbo wheels. Upholstered the door panels in leather with some nice French seams all throughout, and upholstered all the seats in leather. Nice French stitch all the way around. Front and rear seats, everything looks great. Upgraded the factory sound system with a double din CD player, front and reverse camera, with new speakers all the way around. We did upgrade the suspension a little bit with some TN coilovers on all throughout. And this thing is like a time capsule. It's 100% OEM, so everything is still pretty much stock. The motor was taken out and just refreshed. We also repainted the engine bay. Let me pop the hood.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
2JZ engine, no shit.
This is what it looks like underneath here. We have a full refinish on the engine bay. We have some, like I said, TN coilovers. This is a very stock motor, but we did definitely take it out, clean it up, power wash it, replace some of the gaskets, paint the block, paint the engine bay. Everything was painted full underneath the hood, everything, core supports, everything was removed, reassembled, and everything was put back together. And it just looks good. Like, everything just looks like a factory car, how it should be. Really not giving any big clues that this thing was fully refinished besides how clean it is. Oh, you're ready to pull this thing out. We're gonna show everybody what it looks like in the sun. I know for a fact that this has been one of your dream cars right here, and now that we've done a couple of these, yeah, right? This is more of a OEM plus versus the last one we did.
Yeah, one was all pretty crazy, right-hand drive,
everything. Do you see yourself getting one of these in the future, or those prices are starting to skyrocket more than they have?
I think we need to try to pull the trigger this next year before they're like $1 million or some craziness. But I think this is like one of my ultimate, I grew up watching Fast and Furious, me and Oscar, and this was like the car, you know what I mean? So for us to work on these cars and just see building for everybody else, and it's you know what, maybe it's time for us to get something like that and do our own spin on it.
Especially on what Saul said, it is crazy, man. Just really chase after your dreams, keep working hard. Us being able to build these cars for clients is just really a dream come true, because this is what we love to do, and we love these type of cars, and being able to do that, get paid for it, and make a living off that is just crazy to me, because this is so much fun. And it's just damn, we walk to the shop and we just see all these high-end cars and rare cars and collector cars, and it's like it almost doesn't hit you that this is life. Like, this is what we do, and it's we're forever grateful for that. You know, clients, people supporting it. Even you guys are just watching the channel. You guys are helping out the shop more than you know. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out. Fired right up, first try, huh?
Yeah, I mean, that's that 2JZ motor. Original miles on this thing is 193,631, and it just runs like a champ. Driving this thing, it feels like a dream. It smells like leather. You know, this is like a timeless car, and really appreciate you guys watching and supporting our channel, and hopefully one day we can build one of these for ourselves. Alright guys, so this thing's all loaded up. It's gonna be going up to LA, somewhere up in LA. So that's its new home. It looks so nice. On this thing, the paint just looks so nice. I mean, you can see me right there, it looks so good. I want to thank you guys so much for watching the channel. Make sure you hit that notification button for new up-to-date videos, and here at SOS Customs we got you covered. Peace.